Hi guys, welcome back to Car Motor Company. Today's new arrival is the 2022 Ford Transit 350 tipper. It's the double cab, it's got twin wheels, it's the 9.5 foot steel body, it's got the solid rear back doors so you can get all your tools inside. Let's have a look around. The beauty of it having the solid doors on the rear, guys, you've got a really secure area to keep all your tools, all your equipment out of the sight and out of reach. Look how clean this body is underneath, being fully maintained by a lease company. All up-to-date service history. If you'd like any more information on this van, delivery is available, finance and warranty. Please check the website and ask for Nick or Chris. Thanks for watching.